Hello and welcome to this course. Today's class will be looking at zooming. Okay, so these are ingredients to making maps at the end of the day, because at the end of the day, everything we're doing here is towards making a map. All right, so we're going to be looking at zooming. All right, so if you come up to your toolbar or tool space here, whatever you have here, we have zoom in. So if you click on this zoom in and then you select and you release, you see that the more you release, it keeps clearing out to a space. Now this is a Chigun local government, so you see that it's going to make selection to stay only at that place. That's for zooming, meaning you are expanding the zoom. Now the minus sign is zoom out. So if I click, you see that it's returning everything to its small state. And then we have pan, where you move the element to different sides of the whole thing without changing the scale. As I move now, it's not changing the scale, but if I do zoom out, the scale will change. If I come back to pan only helps you move it, position it to where you want without it suspend every protocol. I think, let me just say, it disable everything that has to do with move and just moved it to the workspace. Not that it's moving it from the earth location, no, it's just moving it to the right place that you want it to be at that particular time. And then if you're using a mouse, you can easily zoom in by scrolling towards yourself. That is, you scroll the mouse towards yourself, you scroll it towards your front view using the mouse, you realize that it is zooming out also. So that's another method of zooming. People without mouse will have to come click here, drag like this for them to have a zoom. But with mouse, you can easily achieve this too. Alright, then we have the zoom extend. That's full extend. It's going to take the whole thing to an extent, return it to default. That is zoom extend. Once you click on it, it returns the map. Okay, so we also have the fixed zoom in. Zoom in, we already know that this is zoom in, right? So when we say fixed zoom in, it's going to move in one step. Now this is very vital when you're producing map, where you're trying to adjust the map to where it should be properly. You use zoom in, fix zoom in, and fix zoom out. Fix zoom out, you already know, see it's going back. So this will help you to position and address your map the way it should be. Alright, so also whenever you have two things selected and you want the other one to be a priority, you can right click and say what? Zoom to X layer. So it's going to bring it to where you see everywhere visible. Alright, so basically this is all I can explain for this zoom session. I'm taking it bit by bit so that you can easily spend few minutes and digest what we're doing. Just practice. You can get any of this shapefile from GIS. You go to GIS and go to the download sessions, and then you download map of any country you're watching, whether it is the administrative map of US, Canada, UK, anywhere at all. You can download that and follow. But subsequent videos, when we enter in, I will be dropping links for you to download some data from the description, from the comment section, description, and anywhere I can drop it for you to see. Alright, so I hope you learned something new on this video, and just chill. I'll see you in the next video.